Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. I'm Nigel Croft and today is Wednesday the 5th of April. In this video we'll be looking at the NASDAQ 100 index. It's had a great run since November, December. Can this continue? So here we have the daily chart on the NASDAQ. Each bar represents 1 day's trade. And you can see that yesterday we had a bullish formation on the candlestick with a long body and then the head at the top pushing into new high ground. Is there anything to indicate that this rally may be about to finish? Well, the moving averages, here I look at the 20, which is the yellow line, the 50, which is the blue line, and the 200, which is the red line moving averages, and you can see they're all moving upwards. In fact, it was very positive just a couple of weeks ago when the 20-day gave the support at this level, and then we had a push up. So really very positive, and there's no concerns there. On the RSI, because we went up, came down and gone up again. This is a 14-day indicator, so you can see that it's actually edging downwards. Some would see that as a slight warning sign. However, it's still well above 50. It's 64.9 at the moment, so not flashing sell. Maybe looking at towards a hold maybe. But if the market did push into new high ground over the next few days, you'd see this RSI tick up above 70 very quickly, break the downtrend, and it would look very good again. Likewise, the MACD, which is this bottom little part of the chart, it's slightly moving downwards, but we see that the short term it is back above the long term, so again, no warning signs. Let's look at a longer term picture. Here we've got the weekly. So here each bar represents 1 week's trading. And again, the moving averages, these are now the 20 week, 50 week, 200 week, all moving up. Perhaps in the RSI, it's slightly overbought, now at 74.19 on this weekly, but definitely indicating positive momentum and still in its uptrend. Likewise, the MACD still positive, short term above the long term. So there's no warning signs here. The only potential slight concern for technical analysts will be the distance that we've moved away from the 20-day and the 50-day and the rise in the RSI. So if there was any consolidation, they'd be quite pleased, but there's nothing to indicate a market that's going to pull back. And on the short term, here we've got the 4-hour chart. So each bar represents 4 hours. So you can see the last 4 hours trade, a bit of indecision, a spinning top there where there's a longish body, and then the open and the close on the 4-hour period were very similar levels, but there's nothing to be concerned about there. Here again we've got the 20, 50 and the 200 averages. These are the 4-hour are moving upwards. RSI actually has broken its downtrend, is above 50, 58.24. MACD looks good. So really all three charts are looking good. On the support resistance levels, minimal resistance, this is actually yesterday's high, 54.51.8. And then the support's coming in at those moving averages, 53.99.47 and then 53.20.64. So that's been TA for Traders looking at the NASDAQ 100 on Wednesday the 5th of April. Please remember, this is not an investment recommendation. These are just my opinions, and please do look at the disclaimer that's coming on the screen. Thank you very much for watching.